Good day guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to connect WhatsApp to n8n. So you just go into your workflow and dashboard, press on start from scratch, and now as you can see we need to add our first step. So it's pretty simple from here. The only thing that you will need to have is the API key from WhatsApp. So just press on the plus and then in the notes type in WhatsApp. So you need the WhatsAble, this one, automate WhatsApp messages. Alright, and in here just install the node. It's pretty simple. Okay, so install the node, and now we can choose the triggers in here. And as you can see guys, we just need to create a credential in here, and pretty much what you need API key and webhook URL. You get this from your Meta Business Suite from here. It's pretty easy. And after that, just after inserting these, press on save. And as you go back, you'll get your WhatsApp automation in here that you can use easily. And now you can automate WhatsApp with n8n. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.